Welcome to another exciting episode of SEO Sneak Peek. In this video, we will discuss search volume and shed some light on your questions about it. Let's get started. So, what exactly is search volume with regards to SEO? Search volume is the number of times a keyword is searched from a particular location in a specific time frame. As you may already know, keywords are your trump card to appear on top of Google search. That's how people find you. If a keyword doesn't have a great search volume, then chances are, people aren't really using it when searching online. Picking the right keywords with good search volume, and using them naturally in your content is super important to rank higher on search engines and also for the target audience to find you. That's how your website climbs up to the top of SERPs. So, what's the ideal search volume you must target for your website? As much as I want to give you the numbers, the truth is it depends on different factors. The ideal search volume depends on your niche, the type of keyword, and the season. First, let's talk about your niche. Based on the popularity of your niche, the search volume can increase or decrease. For example, the keyword, best travel credit card, has a high search volume of 49,500. Whereas the keyword solar battery charger just has 14,800. This is because there are more people out there looking for travel credit cards than solar chargers. Now, let's see how the type of keywords you target decides the search volume. If you are trying to rank for a short-tailed keyword, the search volume usually tends to be higher. But, what you also have to consider is the competition. A keyword with more search volume can be very difficult to rank. Long-tailed keywords with 3 or more words tend to have low search volume compared to other types of keywords. Even though there are exceptions, this is true in most cases. Long-tail keywords are more intent-specific, and when optimized, they target a small but highly focused audience. The third factor that determines the search volume of a keyword is the season. Some keywords see a spike in the search volume during a specific period. For example, the keyword, when are NFL playoffs? This keyword is most searched during January when the National Football League happens every year. You can see the volume decreasing after the season ends. All this concludes that search volume isn't a static number. It can change based on many factors. If yours is a micro-niche business, like Stockhouse, which focuses only on selling horseshoe supplies, you may encounter less search volume for your keywords. However, the conversions after ranking for the keyword will be high because they are highly intent-specific. So, our advice is to consider search volume as a relative term. Now, here is our answer to your question about ideal search volume. Ideal search volume depends upon factors such as the type of keyword you target, the niche, and the audience your website caters to. So, we are at the end of the video. Hope this episode helped you to decode the implications of search volume. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video soon.